है वो बेपर्दा कोई तालिबे दीदार भी हो.
One contention that has always been at the center of debate when it comes to people of religion and atheists is this crucial question of, is there a God? And if he exists, what is the proof to it? Hazrat Muslim Maud, Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Sahib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in his powerful piece of work, 10 Proofs of the Existence of God, has answered this topic extremely beautiful. And for a person who holds an open heart and is sincere, is left with the conclusive evidence that there must be a God. To prove the existence of God, Hazrat Muslim Maud radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu quotes the Holy Quran of chapter number 6, verse number 68 to 91, in which Allah the Almighty addresses the believers and says that He has sent prophets over the course of time to guide people to the one God. And God Almighty quotes certain prophets such as Abraham, Ishmael, Isaac, Moses, Jesus, peace be upon whom, in which He states that all of these prophets throughout history had been sent for the one purpose, that they believe that there is a God, and they bring people to believe to the fact that there is a God, and He still speaks to His believers. The important thing to gather from these verses is that these people were sent throughout history, throughout various times in the course of the history of this world in which we live in. And when we analyze these people, these prophets, thousands of saints, we find that there was one core to the message to the people that they gave. And that was that there is a God and one should believe in Him, through which he will attain the nearness to God Almighty. But the question arises, some people may ask, that why should we still believe in these people? We have absolutely no reason to believe in their authenticity. Well, the fact of the matter is that when we study history, regardless the people that whether they believe in a God or they do not believe in a God, they acknowledge the existence of such people, such as prophets, such as saints, such as those righteous people who have been in the history of the course of time. And when one analyzes the lives of the prophets, we find that the Holy Quran bears testimony to their moral character, in which God Almighty states in regards to the prophets that I have lived amongst you a whole life. Will you then still deny? We find that when people were asked about the moral characters of those prophets and those saints, they had nothing to say but that they were trustworthy and they were the truthful. But if we were to compare those people to historians today or philosophers today, there are millions and millions of people in the world who believe what they have to say without even analyzing their moral characters. Whereas those prophets, who had always been known as the truthful, as the trustworthy, and their lives cannot be depicted upon or analyzed or even scrutinized and said to have been anything but pious and righteous, we find that throughout these thousands of prophets, thousands of saints, that their message or their core message that you should believe in a God. Why? Because He has sent me. Why? Because He will speak to you if you believe in Him, was always the same, regardless what countries or what part of the world they were sent to, regardless what language they spoke, regardless of the differences of certain teachings that they had. But the one thing that was always the same was that there is a God.